Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many data analysts face when working with SQLite databases. The issue at hand involves using pd_read_SQL to create a dictionary containing table names and their respective row counts. However, the resulting dictionary includes unnecessary information, specifically zeros, alongside the row count values, which is not ideal. Let's dive into how we can solve this problem efficiently. In the solution provided, we can streamline the process and optimize our code by eliminating the unnecessary zeros from our dictionary values. By executing the SQLite query directly on the con object and using the fetch_1 method to retrieve the row count, we can obtain the exact count without any additional clutter. The key line of code to focus on is tables_name equals con.execute SQLite_table.fetch_1 0. This simple adjustment ensures that our dictionary values only contain the essential row counts, allowing for a cleaner and more concise representation of the data. To wrap it up, by following the solution outlined above, you can effectively streamline the process of creating a dictionary with table names and their corresponding row counts in SQLite databases. Remember, simplicity is key when it comes to optimizing your code and enhancing efficiency in data analysis tasks. I hope you found the solution helpful for your current or future projects. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.